Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Slow Cooker Sunday, but it is also National Coffee Ice Cream Day. And let me tell you, I had a hard time coming up with something that fit both of those categories, but I think I did it. Well, I don't know if today is actually a recipe or if it's a tip. Maybe it's a little bit of both. But anyway, before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and slow cooker recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right, so I had a bunch of different thoughts. I thought maybe we would do a coffee cake in a slow cooker and then we would serve it with ice cream. But I thought we've done quite a few cakes in the slow cooker, so I wanted to do something different. And I thought, you know what this weekend is? This weekend is the weekend that I get out all the Halloween decorations. I know it's a little bit early for some of you, but and immediately after Halloween, we see Thanksgiving and then we see Christmas. So the holidays are just around the corner. And I thought this is a really good tip. If you have family over, a lot of people early Christmas morning or Thanksgiving morning, or even for like a dinner party and you want to serve coffee after the party, after dinner, I should say, is to put it in a slow cooker. So the reason I like it is you can fit so much more in here, especially if you have like, a 6-quart slow cooker, you can fit a lot more than just one pot of coffee that you're gonna have to brew 2 or 3 times. Not only that, it keeps it hot without it scalding. I feel like sometimes if you keep a regular coffee pot, and nowadays, if you're like me, I don't have a coffee pot anymore. I actually just have, well, I do, but I store it in the basement. I have my Cheri that I use. But whenever it's Thanksgiving or, Christmas or whatever, I drag that out so that people aren't waiting on the Keurig and, there's a full pot ready to go. But I do think this is really, really helpful is to brew a couple pots and store it in here. And then that way you've got it warm all morning long, Christmas Day, or like I said, after, dinner, you can serve this. And so here's where the recipe part comes in. The tip is to serve coffee out of out of your crock pot. I wouldn't do this every day, but again, I think it's great for the holidays, something like that. So the recipe part is, if you've never heard of it, it's called Affogato, and it's an Italian, pretty sure it's Italian, but basically it's ice cream served with a shot of espresso over the top. And if you're like me and you're not really fond of espresso, you can do coffee also. So what I have here is a little bit of coffee that I mixed in a little bit of espresso powder with. So you just pour a little bit over the top of that. And I believe there's also some variations on that where you can do like some liquor, maybe put some Baileys or something in here. So that's all we're doing, just a little bit of coffee over the top. And like I said, I think they use espresso, but I don't know. We'll give this a try and see what it tastes like. I do love the way that the coffee melts the ice cream. I think I did excellent today because I didn't have to make coffee ice cream, but it tastes just like coffee ice cream. I mean, I guess it should because it's coffee and ice cream. It reminds me though, but the first time I did have a coffee flavored ice cream, I think it was at Baskin Robbins. And I was only like, 13 or 14, so I had no idea what I was ordering. I forgot what the name of it was. But I was pleasantly surprised. I really, really liked it. And I'll tell you what I like about this. The ice cream I used is a cinnamon bun. So it's like a, what do they call it? Chai latte? Is that how you say it? Anyways. So you guys have to let me know what you think about this. You'll definitely have to try this out though. I mean, keep this in mind because the holidays really are just around the corner. And I think it comes in handy. So anyway, I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.